symmetric difference of two sets let A and B are be two sets. The symmetric difference of symmetric difference of set A and B is A and B is the set A minus B union B minus A and is denoted by A is symmetric difference of B. Symbol is this one. This symbol is symmetric difference. Thus, symmetric difference. Thus, A symmetric difference of B is equal to A minus B union of B minus A is set of X such that X belongs to is not belongs to A union B. Now the figure symmetric difference of set this one is A, this one is B, this one is AU, A, B. This one is the symmetric difference of A and B. Now the figure denoted by symmetric difference. Intersecting two circles, A, set of A and set of B, and this one is A and this one is B. Universal set. Shaded part is A is the symmetric difference of B. That's all. Once again, symmetric difference of two sets. Let A and B are two sets. The symmetric difference of set A and B is the set of A minus B union B minus A and denoted by A is the symmetric difference of B. This symbol is denoted by symmetric difference. Then thus A symmetric difference of B is A minus B union B minus A set of X such that X not belongs to A union B. This figure is A is the symmetric difference of B. The shaded area is, this one is A, this one is B. The shaded area is A of symmetric difference of B. A is the symmetric difference of B. That's all.